Okay, so we put in a meter read. We know they still have a problem. That's a lot of water. Even though irrigation system's on, we did see a constant flow on the meter. So now we're going to use this flow rate feature right here to figure out the flow rate and see how much is that going to be a month and figure out if that's the leak we've been looking for. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on flow rate, and that's going to pop up our calculator that is both a stopwatch and a calculator, so we don't have to go in and out of the app. It's one of my favorite features. So let's go ahead and take a quick flow rate. So basically, here we are at the meter. What I'm going to do is start the meter, or start my stopwatch when the meter's at a known spot. So we want to look volume over time. So when it gets to 81, you can see it's 80. It's in the tenths, hundredths. So when it gets to 81.00, I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. Okay, so we start. Now we're going to let a little bit of time go by, and we're going to stop it at another known location. So how about we give it 2 gallons? We'll give it a full gallon. So it started at 81, we're getting towards 82. Okay, so what we see is that we have, we have 1 gallon in 28 seconds. So I'm going to say 1 gallon, let's try the math here, 1 gallon divided by 28. So that gives me 0.036 gallons per second. So I'm going to multiply that by 60 seconds in a minute. So I got 2.4 gallon per minute leak. I'm going to go ahead and enter. And what we can see right here, it captured our flow rate, but it also looked up our monthly water loss and our annual, if that leak kept going. So we can see 93,000 gallons. So 93,000 gallons, so that tells me that probably is what we're looking for, but it's getting worse since over the summer, which makes sense. Leaks usually do. So we're going to go try to find that leak now. So I'm going to say, basically make some meter notes. I might say above normal, constant leak. So those are just quick notes, so I know what's going on now. I'm going to go try to find it. So let's go start looking around.